Meaning of hauler.
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 Hauler. Hauler is a noun that refers to a vehicle or person used for transporting goods over long distances. Haulers can be anything from large trucks used for shipping goods across the country to individuals who transport goods in smaller quantities. A hauler's primary function is to move goods from one place to another, and they are typically hired by businesses or individuals who need to transport large or heavy items. The term hauler is commonly associated with the transportation industry and is often used interchangeably with other terms such as carrier and shipper.